Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VIDA, home of the Sharks, in Vista, California, middle school. I just had a session here in the gym for AM/PM group, students and staff, the after-school program, part of Vista Unified School District. And this is my third and final visit for this school year, 2024-2025. But another great time with the students, a lot of pin drop moments with some of the heartfelt stories that were shared, some of the very motivational videos, some of the experiential exercises as well. And that's really what I'm always trying to convey in my assemblies, is the heart component. This one was close to my heart, this topic. It was about perseverance, not giving up, not quitting. Like you see on the screen, one of the slides for the presentation, it says don't quit, but it also says do it, right? We keep pushing, we keep persisting until success happens. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset. And this means that we know the biggest room in our lives is the room for improvement, and we keep trying every day to get better, right? Better humans, better friends, better brothers, sisters, classmates, and the list goes on. And every area of our lives, you know, there's always an opportunity for us to grow. There's always going to be challenges too that we've faced in the past, are currently facing, will face, but we can look at those as ways to make us stronger if we let them, right? Life's not going to be easy. No one said it ever will be. It takes courage to get older, but also, you know, we have to understand that it also takes courage to do the right thing. And the right thing is talking kindly to ourselves, making a healthy habit of that. The growth mindset, right? The person we'll speak to the most in our life is ourselves. So we want to believe in ourselves, right? We want to tell ourselves something positive, but then we also want to do that for others around us too. And we want to encourage them in the right way as well, with the right amount of heart, passion, enthusiasm, and energy. And so for me, you know, this topic is one that so many times, you know, we fail once, we think we're a failure, we make a mistake, we think that we're a mistake, but it's the total opposite, right? Like Albert Einstein said, the genius, he said that, you know, if you don't make a mistake, then you're not learning anything new. So to know that mistakes can help us learn, to know that if we don't get it the first time, we can find a different approach, to know that if we don't get it, we just haven't got it yet, right? We can always keep going, you know, the extra distance, the extra mile. And sometimes that moment that you're about ready to quit, if we just tried one more time, then we'd have success, right? That a miracle could happen. Speaking of miracles, the concept we bring up in every one of my programs, on all of our hands with the lines on our hand. That M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. We're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Once we buy into that, now we can be the light to someone else's heart and go and shine that and go and uplift them. And when we do that, it actually brings us that inner joy as well. And, you know, something that I've preached, but also wear as part of this program in my positivity session too, is the shirt that says keep your head up. And the words are upside down on purpose. If you're feeling down, looking down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. So the students, again, keep touching my heart. And I've had a great time over these last couple of years here at VIDA. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of these few weeks, great summer break. Hope to see you in the fall. And feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.